If a student understands a concept in Tagalog but can't find the English words to say it, does that make them less intelligent? Or are we just using the wrong measure? Good day, esteemed panelists. I am Leah Morete, and together with my colleagues Vanessa, Nika, and Jingjing, we represent the future educators of Grace Mission College. In schools like those in Pitogo, we've observed low comprehension due to mismatched instruction. Our response is the Dangal policy. Dangal stands for Dual Language Advancement for National Goals and Academic Literacy. It is the bridge between the home and the world.
Building on that bridge, I'm Vanessa. We solve this through a dual stream model. In the global stream of math and science, students are challenged to speak and master English. However, worry not, because our teachers will not teach in pure English. We provide multilingual guides, and that is the beauty of Dangal. By using the mother tongue for the national stream of social sciences and arts, we ensure students meet global standards without losing their cultural soul. We believe you cannot truly understand your history in a foreign language. How do we bridge the gap between English instruction and deep academic understanding?
To make the work on the ground. I'm Nika. In the global stream, we strictly implement English output for students, but our educators move beyond the pure English only teaching method. We believe that when students are performing complex experiments or solving intricate equations, the logic is better understood and processed in their mother language. Our teachers act as a bilingual guides who provide essential scaffolding for success. They use the mother tongue as a cognitive hook, a strategic tool to unlock complex theories with English vocabulary. Hits a wall. These guides assist and facilitate to ensure that a student's intelligence is never finalized by a language barrier, because our guides assist monolingually to further understand the lesson. We ensure that when our students speak English, they are expressing a deep and permanent mastery of the subject matter.
Expanding on that feasibility, I'm Jingjing. This is highly achievable because it's aligned with MTB, MLB, and success story like Singapore and Brunei. It is reliable because it's turned out logistic diversity into the strength. By having teachers facilitate multilingually, we create safety to try zones in our labs, uh, making English reachable rather than intimidating. We are implementing and research back strategy that prepares students for the global workforce while keeping them rooted in Filipino values.
The ultimate impact is a generation of students who no longer stay silent out of fear. In the global stream, our students will strictly speak English, but they will only do so with a confidence that comes from a foundation in their mother tongue. With the teachers acting as bilingual guides, we unlock a mastery that rote memorization cannot touch. With Dangal policy, we are producing competent multilingual learners, graduates who are competitive in English yet fiercely grounded in their roots. The Dangal policy ensures our students don't just survive, they thrive because
A student,
student
who
student
speaks
who
with
speaks
dangal
with
with dangal
has the
has the
confidence
confidence
and
and
pride
pride
to
to
change
change
the
the
world.
world.